Hey there, fellow food enthusiasts and digital wizards. You're about to embark on a culinary and literary adventure like no other. Imagine a magic wand that can whip up not just a mouth-watering dish, but also a delectable piece of content to go with it. Well, guess what? You don't have to just imagine it anymore. Welcome to the world of the food blogger's super prompt, a game changer in the realm of food blogging. This isn't your grandma's recipe book or a bland SEO guide. It's a secret sauce that adds zest to your blog and sizzle to your search engine rankings. Picture this. You're crafting a blog post. You need a zesty 200-word intro that hooks readers like a perfectly grilled steak, a 500-word conclusion that's as satisfying as the last bite of a gourmet meal, and an outline that maps your post like a Michelin star chef plans a 5-course dinner. And hey, let's not forget the piece de resistance, an awe-inspiring picture that makes your readers' mouths water. But wait, there's more. This isn't just about looking good. It's about being found. That's right. This super prompt is SEO optimized, ensuring your delicious content gets the spotlight it deserves in the vast digital world. So food bloggers, digital connoisseurs, and everyone who believes that the pen is mightier than the fork, strap in. You're about to revolutionize your blog, one scrumptious word and click-worthy photo at a time. Let's turn the heat up and get cooking. Now, what I just did this intro on from this YouTube video was written by ChatGPT. I'm a ChatGPT Plus member, and I'm using the ChatGPT 4, as you can see up here, with Dolly browsing and analysis. Right here, the newest version of GPT-4, and I pay $20 a month for that. What I'm going to share with you in this video is a cool prompt that I made for food bloggers. Now, I'm not a food blogger. I have done recipe posts in the past, but it's few and far between. But I recognize there's a need for it, and there's not many. That's one of the most popular niches out there, food bloggers. So I made a prompt for it, and it's pretty good, and I think you'll find it very useful. I'm going to show you how it works real quick here in a second. And if you want to come over and check this out and just copy and paste the prompt, use it for ChatGPT or Bard or any other AI tool, then you can do that. But this is where it's at. This is on my blog here. Link will be directly below in the video description box. You can come on over here and copy it for yourself. This is a picture I created with a specific blog post I did for this specific blog post here, the ChatGPT prompt for food bloggers. Super prompt all in one. This is a picture it came up with. And this is the actual prompt here that I'm gonna show you. Now you can come on over, like I said, come on over and just paste it. Right here, copy and paste, and you're off to the races. But this is how it works in real life. I do use another software called AIPRM. It's another add-on. I do pay for that one as well, and it's only $20 a month as well. So total $40 investment. You do not need the AIPRM software. I just like it because it gives you a bunch of different prompts you can use, and it's helpful for my business. But you can actually use this with even a free ChatGPT account. This prompt, you're just not going to get the picture with it. If you do have the upgraded ChatGPT Plus with the newest edition, which can browse the internet, it's got Dolly, you're going to be able to get the picture with this prompt. So I'm going to show you how that works right now. So let's go on over to this prompt, and it's right here. Food blogger, super prompt, all in one. I just made this like within the last 8 hours or so. So it's relatively new. I think it's pretty good. Food blogger, super prompt, all in one. Let's check this bad boy out in action. And I use a humorous tone, and I'm going to use a persuasive writing style. And this is all with AIPRM. And then you get different tones I can pick in a writing style. Persuasive, technical, poetic, creative, you name it, they pretty much got it. But we're going to stick with humorous and persuasive. I think the content comes out the most human sounding, and it's entertaining if you use a humorous, tone. And if you don't like how it comes out, you can always, edit it a little bit, but usually it comes out pretty good. And it ranks a little higher. I notice when I use that humorous tone in the search engines when I do use AI for my blog posts. So with that being said, let's check this out. See if you like it. All right, so food blogger, super prompt, all in one. I'm going to enter my keywords here, and we're going to enter anything off the top of my head. I'm going to go with Louisiana shrimp recipe. And we're going to... And obviously you're going to put your keywords in there where the prompt is at. And click send message here. It's going to ask it for it again. Before diving into your crafting your content, it would be essential. So you can actually put anything in there, hi, whatever. It's going to write to you first, then you put in your keywords, and then it's going to give you the whole prompt. So it says, before diving into crafting your content, it would be essential to know your target keyword phrase. This keyword will guide you through the creation of the meta description, the conclusion, and the overall blog post structure. It will also be the focal point of the vibrant image to complement the post. Could you provide the specific target keyword phrase related to the Louisiana shrimp recipe or any other cooking related topic you have in mind? This will ensure the content is precisely tailored to your needs. So I got my keyword phrase in there, hit enter, and it should be off to the races right now. Here we go. Now what this is going to do is going to create a 200-word meta description or close. It's not going to be dead on, but it's going to be a little bit longer of a meta description is what you want for SEO. It's going to create a 500-word conclusion. It's going to create a blog post outline for you, and it's going to give you a cool picture. If you got you got the newest edition that you pay for, the Plus edition with ChatGPT 4. If you don't have that, you're just using regular ChatGPT. That's fine too. You just won't get the picture with it, but it should do everything else. All right, you can see right here, and this is all SEO optimized as well. I got my keywords in it and all that good stuff, so it's ready to go right off the bat. So you got your meta description, you got your conclusion, and then you can write your blog post outline right here and just go through this each individual, build out your blog post the way you want it, and you're good to go. It's even got a fact section here. Now it's making my picture. Look at that. Done. So now I got a cool picture that's related to my keywords. Louisiana shrimp. That's pretty good. If you want a different version, obviously you can do that as well. But that's all done. Look how cool this is. So you got everything done for you. Meta description, a conclusion, SEO optimized, a blog post outline. And my tip to do this with a blog post outline, if you're using this prompt, go through each part of this like one at a time. Kind of copy it. And if you haven't covered it yet, paste it in here. Make sure your writing style and your tones the way you want it. Click enter or send message, and it's going to cover this topic. You're going to get a lot more content out of it than as if you just copy and paste the whole blog post outline. It's going to be real short. If you do it this way, you're going to get a well-structured, very detailed blog post that'll be between, anywhere between 2,000 to 5,000 posts. 5,000 words, so it's going to be a lot more detailed. So you want to go through each one of these individually. So with that being said, that's it. You got a fact section conclusion and all that good stuff. Picture, SEO optimized, awesome. And if you want to check this out for yourself, like I said, click that link below in the video description box, and you can come over and copy this prompt. Or if you got AI PRM and you're watching this video, it is over. Let me read this to you real quick before I end this video and show you how good this is. So same by keywords, Louisiana shrimp recipe. It starts off with a keyword. You can always mix this up if you wanted to. Louisiana shrimp recipe, a phrase that conjures up images of succulent shrimp dancing in a pot of rich, spicy flavors. This isn't just any shrimp dish. It's a culinary journey to the heart of Louisiana's vibrant cuisine. In this 200-word meta description, now you obviously want to get rid of this. Usually it doesn't do this. We'll take a brief dive into what makes this recipe not just food, but an experience. Imagine shrimp fresh as the morning in the bayou, simmering in a sauce that's a harmonious blend of garlic, spices, and a secret touch of southern magic. This isn't just a recipe, it's a heritage, a story told through every bite. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a curious foodie, this Louisiana shrimp recipe is your ticket to a flavor fiesta. So strap on your apron and let's turn the heat up. This is way better than I can write, and probably you as well. It's phenomenal. The conclusion. All right, let's wrap up like a perfect shrimp. Boy. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's supposed to be funny. We've dived deep into the world of our Louisiana shrimp recipe, exploring every spice, technique, and secret to making this dish a showstopper. Now, don't think it's just about tossing shrimp into a pan. Oh no, it's an art. It's about balancing flavors like a culinary tightrope walker, making sure each spice sings in harmony. So as you can see from this, it's really engaging. It's easy to read. And like I said, it's better than I could do and probably better than you can do as well. And you're saving a lot of time. So what you could do is just use this meta description, start off your blog post, use a conclusion, and then all you got to do is fill in the blanks basically with the blog post outline. You want to do it yourself, be more than free, do it any way you want. You want to use AI, you can do that as well and just add your spin to it. But your blog post outline's done. Your facts section, you got your questions answered, you got your picture, you're ready to roll. It's going to save you a ton of time and energy in creating content. So like I said, if you like this prompt, you want to check it out for yourself, links directly below in the video description box. And you can also come on over, and I do have a full 1 hour long free AI course that shows you how I'm using ChatGPT effectively. Want to dominate the digital landscape in 2023? Dive into our free limited time training to unleash AI strategies so potent they'll elevate your blog traffic to stratospheric heights. This is your once-in-a-lifetime shot, and you can come over and click on this link over here, and this was written by AI too. It's pretty good. Come on over here and check it out. I got a free 1 hour training video on how to use ChatGPT, how I use it effectively to get the most out of it so you can speed up your content creation. So with that being said, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy this prompt. I hope it helps you out. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.